Hey everyone, in this video we will explore the app for the Power BI service. So I've got an iPhone and I've got this Power BI app, so we'll explore that. So I'll click on the app and it opens the Power BI app for me. And you can see I've got quick access and activity. So it shows me the frequently accessed reports and dashboards, so I can flick through that. It also shows me the recent reports and dashboards that I've been accessing. I can also at the bottom look at the favorite. So I click on the star button and shows me what is marked as favorite. So I've got a report and I've got a workspace and I've got a dashboard. So and then I can go on to the app. So I don't have any app at the moment with me, otherwise it would have shown the apps here. And then I can go to this workspace button, which shows me the multiple workspaces which are there. So I've got Learn to Excel workspace, demo, and other workspaces here as well. So I can also click on the notification button if there were any notifications, like if anyone had shared any report with me, or if there was any data alert, these would be visible when I log into this app. Also, if on the top side, if I click on this button and I go to settings, so I'll do it again on the top left hand side. I click on this and the user icon, and then I click on settings, and it shows me the account name and my license type, and then it gives me the options to recommend Power BI. It shows me the privacy statement. It shows me whether it requires Touch ID or not. Send usage data, single tap in reports, docked report, and multiple select are enabled or not. Data reader option, and then appearance. So I'll just get out of here and we'll just go to one of the workspaces. So I'll go to Learn to Excel workspace, and you can see I've got the dashboard over here. So I click on the dashboard and it opens up the dashboard for me. So you can see all the, it's a similar one which we created in the web service and in Power BI service, the web app via the web. And then I can tap on any of these visuals. So I can click on this visual and it shows me the options to open the report. So I can open the underlying report, I can expand the tile, I can manage alerts, and I can add comments on here. Similarly, I can maximize or minimize the dashboard, so it's in full screen mode or not. Let's just open a visual. So it's open the underlying report. Sorry, it's opened the visual for us. So at the bottom you can see it gives us the option to manage alerts, add comments, open the report, or annotate. So if I click on annotate, it again brings us to so it opens the sub menu for annotate, as you can see. So I can probably add a smiley. So and I'll probably add heaps of smileys. I can add a lot of smileys. I can probably change the color of the smiley. And then I can do some squigglies here, and I'll just clear everything and go back. So that was good fun. And so we'll go back and it brings us to the dashboard, and you can see it depends on the tile that we have some options and we don't have all these options for different tiles depending on what tile we select. Similarly, you can see for the dashboard I can add comments at the bottom. I'll cancel that. I can do Q&A. So if I click on Q&A, you can see that it is giving me this analysis and the featured insights. And so let's just click on what it's giving me, and it will generate an insight and give it to us. And you can see it's given us that insight, and I can click on that insight and it opens that visual for me. So let's go back. And I can get out of this one as well. Similarly, it's got this option, so I can create a shortcut, save a shortcut for this dashboard, and it's also like save shortcut. And when I say open sales dashboard, so let's try that. So I'll save this shortcut, and we'll just go here, and I'll just ask Siri, open sales dashboard. Hey Siri, open sales dashboard. And it brings us to this page again. So this is how Siri integration works with this one, so which is a fairly interesting feature as well. Now I go on to the report. So I'll just open my report, and it automatically opens in portrait mode, because that is it opens in whatever, I'm guessing this is landscape mode, and excuse my understanding of the print modes. But so you can look at the report, and then at the report level also you can probably comment and then reset. So let me reset to default, so it shows me all the data. I click on this button, it shows me the multiple pages, so I can go to page 2, or let's just go back to page 1 again. So I'll go back to page 1 here, and I can also have this option where Siri shortcut pages. So I can go ahead and create a Siri shortcut, or I can look at multiple pages. So I'll exit this now, and let's look at the other options. So the recent ones, what's shared with me, the samples, and the scanner. So in this video, we've quickly looked at the app, which is available from the Power BI service in the App Store, which could be on Android, or it could be on iPhone. So it would be on the iTunes Store. In this case, we've just looked at what is available on the iTunes Store. So this was just a brief overview of the app which comes with Power BI in the iTunes Store, and I find it to be fairly useful. And I can also, open my report and then share that report with other people. So let's look at the options again. So let's go open this report, and I can, if I flick down, you can see this invite option, and I can type the name of the person I want to share the report with, and share the report with them. So the sharing option is also there, which is one thing I've forgotten to explore. So in this video, just to recap, we've explored the Power BI app on iPhone. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.